Hi everyone, welcome. In our current round of lessons, we've been comparing the verbs ser and estar in Spanish, which both mean to be. In our last few lessons, we've been looking specifically at the uses of the verb ser, and we'll continue to do that in this lesson. So the first thing is you absolutely have to have the forms of ser memorized to be able to use it. There's no way around that. That just comes through practice. So far, we've looked at using ser to identify people and things. We use ser plus de to talk about origin, where someone is from. We use ser plus de to express possession, meaning that you own something or something belongs to someone. We also use ser to express someone's occupation. In this lesson, we are looking at using ser plus an adjective to describe someone. So this is one of the very important uses of ser. In order to ask the question that elicits a description, we in English ask the question, what are you like? That would be in Spanish, ¿cómo eres? Or if you're using tú, if you're using usted, the question would be, ¿cómo es usted? So again, this means, what are you like? What is he like? ¿Cómo es él? What is she like? ¿Cómo es ella? What is it like? Simply, ¿cómo es? So when a Spanish speaker hears one of these questions, they are set to describe with adjectives. So let's look at some examples. If I want to say, for example, I am nice. If you ask me, well, what kind of a person are you? What do you like? I might say, I am nice. So males will say, soy simpático, because the adjective has to agree with the gender of the subject. A female would say, soy simpática. Soy simpático, soy simpática. If I want to say he is nice, I would say, él es simpático. She is nice. Ella es simpática. Again, notice that the adjective is agreeing with the gender of the subject. You are very nice. If you want to give someone a compliment and say you are very nice, if you are addressing a male, you would say, usted es muy simpático. If you are addressing a female, you would say, usted es muy simpática. Remember that most adjectives in Spanish have 4 forms. So let's look at some examples with one adjective in all those forms. If I want to say he is tall, tall is an adjective that's going to have a masculine form and a feminine form in the singular, and a masculine form and a feminine form in the plural. So the first one, he is tall, would be él es alto. She is tall. Ella es alta. They are tall if I'm referring to a group of males, or it can also be a mixed group of males and females. We would say, ellos son altos. If I want to say they are tall referring only to a group of females, then it would be, ellas son altas. So notice the 4 forms, alto, alta, altos, altas. She is beautiful. Ella es bella. He is generous. Él es generoso. They are smart. Ellos son inteligentes. Again, this is referring to a group of males and females, or just a group of males. If I were talking about a group of females only, then I would say ellas son inteligentes. The only thing would change would be ellos to ellas. Inteligente has the same form for masculine and feminine. She is young. Ella es joven. Okay, so the moral of the grammatical story is, remember to use ser with an adjective to describe someone. That's it for this lesson. Thanks so much for watching. If you found it helpful, I would appreciate it very much if you'd give it a like. If you think that someone else that you know might find this lesson helpful as well, I would appreciate it also if you would share. To continue learning Spanish and go on to the next lesson, click on the video that appears here on your screen. See you soon. Hasta pronto.